So from the time that you call flood damage restoration to the time that we actually start extracting water and drying out the building materials, it depends on how long the water is set, will depend on how long it takes to fully dry out the house. So if water damage just happened and we arrive on site immediately in the first 24 hours, typically water damage can be dried and you're back to a normal lifestyle in about 3 to 4 days, 5 days tops. The longer that the water sits in the building materials, the longer it's going to take to dry. It can take 3, 4, 5, 6 days to dry because we're checking the 2x4s, your studs and sill plates in the walls. We're checking your plywood or OSB subfloor, making sure that that's back to dry moisture content. So the drying process can take a little bit longer. If we had to remove drywall or remove materials, once the materials are dry, reconstruction can generally take a couple of weeks to fully complete, whether it's reinstalling carpet, drywall, paint, texture, etc.